The wind in your hair, the freedom of the open road, and the thrill of camping anywhere your heart desires. This is the magic of combining cycling and camping. But what if you could take it a step further? Imagine towing your own tiny house behind your bike, complete with a bed, storage, and shelter from the elements. Welcome to the world of bike campers, an innovative and growing niche where micro-travel, sustainability, and smart design collide. Whether you're an avid cyclist, a minimalist adventurer, or someone simply curious about tiny mobile homes, in this video we'll introduce you to 12 best bike campers for your next adventure. Let's start. Number 1. Wide Path Camper, Denmark. The Wide Path Camper from Denmark is perhaps one of the most well-known and visually striking bike campers in the world. It represents a perfect marriage of functional design and comfort, all packed into a cleverly foldable structure. When towed behind a bicycle, the camper is a compact hard-shell box that doesn't take up too much space and is surprisingly manageable given its robust construction. But once parked and unfolded, it transforms into a spacious mini cabin capable of comfortably accommodating 2 adults. The camper features a table with bench seating that easily converts into a bed, making it a versatile space for both resting and eating. Storage compartments are integrated into the interior, providing room for clothes, gear, and supplies. Large windows let in natural light and air, and they come equipped with curtains for privacy. Optional add-ons like solar panels, a small kitchen module, and even an electric assist system make the Wide Path Camper not just a place to sleep, but a genuine tiny house on wheels. Its thoughtful Danish craftsmanship, paired with modern aesthetics, has made it a favorite among long-distance touring cyclists seeking a comfortable and secure mobile base camp. Number 2. Bee Turtle by Gentle Tent, Austria. If you're someone who values portability and simplicity without sacrificing comfort, the Bee Turtle by Gentle Tent from Austria might be your dream camper. This innovative design merges the convenience of a bike trailer with the coziness of an inflatable tent. When on the move, it is a compact, lightweight trailer that is easy to tow. Once you reach your campsite, it quickly inflates into a raised tent structure that comfortably sleeps 2 adults. The elevated sleeping platform keeps you off the ground, offering a dry and comfortable sleep even in damp conditions. The integrated air mattress makes setup effortless, and the inflatable frame ensures that the entire process takes only a few minutes. Despite its simplicity, the Bee Turtle includes clever storage space in the trailer's base for gear and supplies. The tent fabric is durable and weather-resistant, capable of withstanding rain and wind, making it ideal for multi-day cycling tours. This hybrid design makes the Bee Turtle an excellent choice for campers who want fast setup, lightweight towing, and a comfortable night's sleep, all without the bulk of a traditional hard-shell camper. Number 3. Milelast Bike Camper, Germany. Hailing from Germany, the Milelast Bike Camper is a sleek and futuristic fiberglass teardrop trailer that focuses on aerodynamics, insulation, and long-term comfort. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, the camper's teardrop shape minimizes wind resistance, making it easier to tow than you might expect for a hard-shell unit. Inside, you'll find a cozy and insulated sleeping cabin designed for 1 adult, providing a warm and quiet refuge from the elements. A comfortable mattress ensures a restful sleep, and interior LED lighting adds ambiance and functionality. The Milelast Camper also offers optional features like solar panels and USB charging ports, allowing you to keep your devices powered even when off-grid. Storage compartments are subtly integrated into the interior space for small essentials and gear. Thanks to its durable fiberglass construction and insulating materials, this camper is suitable for use in colder seasons, something many fabric-based tents cannot offer. For solo adventurers looking for a high-quality, hard-shell alternative to tents, the Milelast Bike Camper is an outstanding option. Number 4. Scout Camper by Camprite USA. The Scout Camper by Camprite in the USA is designed for rugged adventurers who prioritize durability and simplicity over luxury. Unlike sleek hard-shell campers, the Scout Camper is a tent-style trailer with a heavy-duty build that can withstand tough weather conditions and rough terrain. When packed down, it is compact and relatively lightweight, but once unfolded, it reveals a sturdy tent structure with a built-in floor that comfortably sleeps 1 or 2 adults. The materials used are weather-resistant and built built to last, offering protection from wind, rain, and even snow. The camper sets up quickly, making it ideal for spontaneous or frequent camp stops. Storage compartments are thoughtfully designed into the trailer's body, providing space for camping gear, cooking supplies, or clothing. The Scout Camper is perfect for backcountry explorers and remote trail riders who need a reliable, no-nonsense shelter that won't falter in challenging conditions. Number 5. Caravan Pod Bike Camper, UK. The Caravan Pod Bike Camper from the UK brings a beautiful blend of retro charm and modern utility. Handcrafted with care, this teardrop-style camper exudes a nostalgic aesthetic that is sure to turn heads wherever you cycle. With rounded edges and a polished wooden finish, the Caravan Pod is as much a work of art as it is a practical shelter. Despite its slightly heavier weight compared to some other models, the payoff comes in the form of superior craftsmanship and comfort. Inside, it features an insulated cabin with a cozy sleeping space that comfortably fits one adult. The underbed storage compartments provide ample room for personal belongings, ensuring that everything has its place. Large windows with ventilation ensure airflow and natural light, while optional solar panels can provide off-grid power. The attention to detail, from handcrafted wooden elements to polished metal finishes, gives the Caravan Pod a unique personality. It's an excellent option for slow-paced cycle touring, where aesthetics and comfort matter just as much as functionality. Number 6. Nomad Bike Camper, USA. The Nomad Bike Camper is an excellent example of minimalist design tailored for the solo traveler who wants an ultra-lightweight and functional shelter on their journeys. Built with DIY inspiration in mind, this camper prioritizes portability and ease of use over luxurious extras. Weighing in at around 60 pounds, the Nomad features a foam-insulated hard-shell exterior that offers protection from both heat and cold. Inside, a fold-down sleeping platform provides a comfortable resting space for one adult, with basic storage compartments available for small items and gear. The frame is made of lightweight aluminum, reducing the overall towing effort. The simple design appeals to cyclists who want to cover long distances quickly without the hassle of a heavy or bulky trailer. For budget-conscious adventurers who value practicality and independence, the Nomad Bike Camper is an outstanding choice. Number 7. Bike Bug by Camprite USA. An upgraded sibling of the Scout Camper, the Bike Bug by Camprite offers more headroom and interior space for those longer cycling expeditions where comfort becomes more important. Although slightly heavier than the Scout, the extra space makes a noticeable difference when camping out for extended periods. The fold-out design features a durable, weather-resistant tent body with excellent ventilation thanks to strategically placed mesh panels and windows. An elevated sleeping platform keeps you off the ground, ensuring a dry and comfortable night's sleep. Integrated storage space allows for easy organization of camping gear and supplies, making the Bike Bug a fantastic choice for multi-day tours or long-term bike trips. This camper strikes a nice balance between portability, comfort, and rugged durability. Number 8. The Shelter by Scout Campers, UK. For those who love futuristic design combined with practical functionality, the Shelter from Scout Campers in the UK is a bike camper that stands out from the crowd. With its angular lines and ultra-modern aesthetic, the Shelter looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Yet it's completely practical for both urban and countryside adventures. The insulated fiberglass shell ensures warmth and protection from the elements, while cleverly placed windows and a skylight flood the interior with natural light. The foldable bed and integrated storage compartments maximize the usable space inside. Optional solar panels power USB ports, enabling off-grid charging for devices. The waterproof exterior and high-quality build make it a versatile option for various climates. Whether you're cycling through bustling city streets or remote country roads, the Shelter offers a stylish, modern, and comfortable base for your travels. Number 9. The Bike Streamliner USA. Built with speed and efficiency in mind, the Bike Streamliner is a long, teardrop-shaped camper that prioritizes aerodynamics and lightweight construction. Its low-profile design helps reduce wind resistance significantly, making it ideal for long-distance cyclists who want to maintain a decent pace without struggling with drag. The interior offers a streamlined sleeping platform and carefully designed storage shelves for gear and supplies. Made with composite materials that are both durable and lightweight, the Streamliner Streamliner offers excellent performance on extended tours. While it doesn't boast some of the luxuries of larger or heavier campers, its primary appeal lies in its efficiency and speed. For endurance cyclists and cross-country riders, the Bike Streamliner is an elegant solution for shelter on the go. Number 10. DIY Wooden Bike Camper. Across online platforms like YouTube and bike forums, countless enthusiasts around the world have taken to building their own DIY wooden bike campers, and many of these creations are nothing short of spectacular. These homemade campers often feature custom-built wooden shells crafted from plywood, reclaimed wood, or upcycled materials, with designs tailored to the builder's specific needs and personality. Interiors typically include insulated walls and floors, fold-down beds, small storage spaces, and even mini kitchens in some cases. Some DIY builders incorporate solar panels for charging devices, while others focus on lightweight simplicity. The diversity of designs is incredible, with each project reflecting its creator's creativity and craftsmanship. DIY bike campers prove that you don't need a massive budget to create a cozy, functional mobile home. Just time, tools, and a bit of imagination. Number 11. Triton Amphibious Camper, Latvia. Perhaps the most eccentric and ambitious camper on this list, the Triton from Latvia, is not just a bike camper, it's a bike, boat, and tiny house all rolled into one. This amphibious marvel allows travelers to cycle on land and float on water, making it a uniquely versatile vehicle for adventurous explorers. The Triton can comfortably sleep 2 adults inside its futuristic pod-like cabin. Equipped with an electric assist motor for both land and water, it reduces the physical strain of propelling such a large contraption. Solar panels mounted on the roof provide sustainable energy for lights, devices, and the onboard systems. Despite its relatively heavy weight, the Triton compensates with unmatched versatility and off-grid capability. For those who dream of exploring both roads and rivers, this is the ultimate all-in-one camper. Number 12. The Crawler, Australia. Built for rugged terrain and wild expeditions, the Crawler from Australia is designed to tackle the harshest environments with ease. Its heavy-duty construction features off-road capable wheels and a suspension system that allows it to handle rough trails and unpaved roads. The insulated hard-shell cabin provides a warm and secure sleeping space for 1 or 2 adults, depending on configuration. A fold-out awning offers shade and additional living space, while integrated storage racks allow you to carry extra gear such as bikes, tools, or cooking equipment. Optional solar panels can power devices and lights, making it suitable for off-grid journeys. The Crawler is perfect for cyclists who want to get off the beaten path, exploring remote deserts, forests, or mountain trails, while still enjoying the comfort of a sturdy, weatherproof shelter at the end of the day. From sleek fiberglass pods to DIY wooden cabins, from inflatable tent trailers to amphibious campers, the world of bike campers is more diverse and exciting than ever. Whether you're dreaming of solo tours, romantic getaways, or off-grid explorations, there's a camper on this list that fits your style. So pump up those tires, pack your gear, and hit the road, because home is wherever you pedal it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.